So what we want to do is pay attention to the kind of problem that we have. We have simplify, and then we have one rational expression. Okay, one polynomial over another. So all I want you to do, you're going to factor the top part, factor the bottom part, and if any factor appears in the numerator and denominator, you're going to cross them out. So, get started. We have x squared. And I know that I've taught you, when you see x squared, you should know that's x multiplied by x. The next thing you see, you're going to look at that last number, a negative 27. So what I'd like you to do, think of your factors of 27. That could be 1 multiplied by 27. Or it could also be 3 times 9. You're going to choose the pair that will give you this middle term here. So we're looking for a positive 6. So that would mean that you're looking for a 9 and a minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So you successfully factored the top. Then you're going to move on to the bottom. When you see the bottom, I know that you see x squared. But in front of that you have a 2. And not all three terms are divisible by 2. So that means that you have to do California method. So, you're going to take the first number and last number and multiply them together. That gives you a negative 6. Now the factors of negative 6 and 1, okay, or 2 and 3, okay, either one of those could be negative. And right off the bat, I see that negative 6 and 1 will give me that middle term of negative 5. What you do with that, write them down, and on top of each, put that front term, which was 2x, okay, and then reduce them so that you can find out what your factors were. And you should be able to see that 2 will divide into 2 and 6, which will give you x minus 3, and the other factor, 2x plus 1. Okay, and to finish out the problem, what you're left with, you have a factor that appears on top and bottom, that x minus 3 will divide out, and you're left with x plus 9 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, the only restriction is ever going to be found in the denominator. So you're going to look here, and basically you're just solving that for 0. And that would tell you that x cannot equal negative 1/2.